Thank you.
Say.
Thank you, Commander sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for explaining in Hindi and English. In the earlier session, it was around 93 members for the strength, but unfortunately, we could not get your presence, sir. Anyway, thank you for joining in the second session. It has given the clear information about what's going on there and clarity over our activities, sir. So good. Thank you, Commander sir. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, Commander sir. One Mr. Baburao from Kurnool has joined us 15 days ago. He is from INTUC leader. But when I requested him that INTUC doesn't do anything for us, just it is our for the sake of working employees only. Then he realized it and he is supporting NASC and he has collected a list of 400 pensioners of Rayalaseema paper mills who retired long back, and he has the data of name, BPO number, and rather his phone number of pensioners. That is how he is pulling. So get good compliment to him from all our NSC. And second thing is, sir, in Tamil Nadu, you know that pretty well we could not able to establish in Tamil Nadu, but in the recent past with the involvement of Prema Vijay Kumar Madam and Rajaratnam sir and Mr. Shankarlingam sir and all other leaders, this is moving ahead now actually. And as a start of NS activities, yesterday our Shankarlingam sir has sent a letter to MP, to Kerala pensioners.
तो ये सारी चीजें देखते हुए मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि दिसंबर एंड तक, जब तक पार्लियामेंट्री सेशन इंटर सेशन बैठेगा, जबकि उस पर कोई सारा कुछ डिपेंड नहीं है, आपने म्यूट हो रहा था ना आपका तो उसमें ये तय होना चाहिए इंटर सेशन में, और दिसंबर एंड तक हमें अच्छी न्यूज मिलनी चाहिए। अब इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों को ये लगता है कि काम नहीं हो रहा है। मैं ये आपको बता दूं कि काम हो रहा है लेकिन बहुत स्लो हो रहा है, और ये इनहेरेंट डिले हमारी ब्यूरोक्रेसी का है। ये बाबू लोग जो है इनका इतना डिले है कि आप खुद ही जानते होंगे कि आपका अगर एक क्लेम भी निकालना है तो आप कितने दिन झगड़ते थे अपने एक छोटे से डिपार्टमेंट। ये बड़ी बात है, बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स इन्वॉल्व है और इसकी वजह से इसमें देर हो सकती है, लेकिन दिसंबर एंड तक कुछ ना कुछ होगा, ऐसा मेरा अनुमान है। अगर दिसंबर एंड तक कुछ नहीं होता है तो हम अपने सभी नेतागणों से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप सब लोग मिलकर तय करें कि क्या आंदोलन की परिस्थिति होनी चाहिए, और हम वह आंदोलन करेंगे। मैं अकेला तो कोई डिसाइड करता नहीं, मैं आप सभी की सलाह से ही चलता हूं, और उसमें फिर सभी राज्यों के अध्यक्ष, सभी चीफ कोऑर्डिनेटर्स इनको हम पूछेंगे, और जो सब लोग मिलकर तय करेंगे उस एजेंडे पे हम चलेंगे। लेकिन दिसंबर एंड तक हमें कमेटी के चेयरमैन हैं, उनसे भी हमारे कई लोगों ने बात की। lot of people talked to him and apprised him about the present position, how many agitations we did. We also sent a letter, messages to all the members, and today we are sending one letter also, which is already drafted, and it will go to their email as soon as possible. As far as our decision is concerned, let me tell you one thing very clearly. This committee which is formed, it is not alone for the pension issue. This committee is of 31 members of parliament under leadership of Mr. Bhartrihari Mahatab. Is basically to see the investments in EPFO, the outflow investment in EPFO, similarly the liabilities of EPFO. Now what is learned is that they are actually suggesting all Atal Pension Yojana, Shrama Yogi Mandhan Yojana and other pension yojanas or schemes, they should go into EPFO, and EPFO will become rather powerful and more rich. Now with this also they have suggested that the and in that clip they had given Jawadekarji's statement when he is speaking. So we'll remind that also. and government will have to put in, pitch in and give us a package for these 65 lakh people till their death. And rest of the people might go to NPS. So this is what my guess is from joining the dots, and also what is learned and seen. So therefore, we must, though it is not necessary that this has to be presented in Parliament for sanction, the cabinet meeting can decide this. But notwithstanding, we will wait till winter session of this Parliament, till December end. That will be very wise on us, because there are people who are working for us and they promised us. So let's not go in haywire. Wait till December end. And after December end, if nothing happens, in January I will take advice of every leader, all state presidents, all chief coordinators, and together we will decide the next plan of action. And I will tell you, we will not stop till the time we are achieving our goal. This is for sure. Whether it is by requesting, whether by opposing, and recommend to the minister. I had spoken to the minister, and I got from him that he is very sympathetic towards our problem. He is aware of our problems, and the minister will recommend something within the ministry on depending upon this parliamentary committee's recommendation. And then after that, that will go to the finance minister. Finance ministry, when it comes to giving our pension, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Honorable Dr. Jitendra Singh ji told us that whatever EPFO or Ministry of Labour cannot do, the finance ministry will butt in or pitch in and give us our desired pension. So there we expect the finance ministry, on the request of Honorable MOS or PMO, and they will contribute something. Yesterday I was watching the old clip of Mr. Javadekar. That time he was in opposition. What he told clearly, what he recommended that time clearly, is in this pension fund, 8.33, 12% government is paying, the member is paying, 12% the institute is paying, or the owner is paying. Now he said this 8.33 which goes
it in English, please, for 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Please. Commander sir, can you just say in English for 5 minutes?
Okay. See,
Commander sir, can you say in English, please? Okay.
Yes, sir. What is happening is, first of all, I congratulate Karnataka team for their job under the able guidance of Prasad Reddy ji, and very active team, and other teams also are very active on their own in their own state. What reports I get, they are also equally active, and some states we need to do a little more. Notwithstanding, this parliamentary committee which is established, it has got many tasks. It is not alone for pension. Let me get it very clear. This parliamentary committee is basically to see the EPFO's all affairs, their investments, investment outflows, investment in EPFO. All these things together they are deciding, and their liabilities. In their liabilities comes EPS 95 pension. Now what government is deciding is, in that particular EPFO fund, they will merge Atal Pension Yojana, then Shrama Yogi Mandhan Yojana, and all these pensions will come together. So therefore this fund.
इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अगर आपको कोई सवाल है या फिर कोई कमेंट है तो आप इस वीडियो के नीचे जो कमेंट बॉक्स है वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं। और साथ में दोस्तों, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट करें तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और जो उसके बाद बेल का आइकॉन आएगा उसे भी आप प्रेस कर दीजिए, ताकि मेरे जो आने वाले वीडियोज़ है वो सबसे पहले आपको देखने को मिल सके।